The GV80 Coupe, which is still in concept kind at the time of creating, features a striking design. The front end mirrors the GV80 with a split front light style, a large shield-shaped grille, vast air intakes, and a flashy front fascia. The broad fenders, 23-inch wheels, heavily raked rear windscreen, and also noticeable spoilers give the GV80 sports car a stylish shape. At the back, the SUV has a split taillight layout that curves around the side of the body and also twin exhaust electrical outlets. With the GV80 Coupe appearing like a production automobile, we don't expect the design to transform much when the SUV enters into manufacturing. The Idea version of the GV80 sports car has an excessively sporty layout with similar style components to the routine GV80 SUV. The simple dashboard layout, huge dials for the AC system, and rotating dials on the center console all match the GV80. The greatly boosted front seats, faux suede upholstery, and orange accents all offer the Concept Auto a flashy layout. The Concept includes comparable sporting activity seats in the back for seating as much as 4 individuals. Because of the GV80 sports car's sloping roofline, we expect the SUV to have less cargo room than the normal GV80. Genesis hasn't confirmed the GV80 sports car's technology features. We expect the SUV to come with similar attributes as the GV80. That SUV features a 14.5-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, 4 USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and also 12 audio speakers. Available functions include a 12.3-inch electronic instrument collection and a 21-speaker stereo. Genesis didn't supply any type of details on powertrains for the GV80 sports car. Based upon the SUV's sporty style, we anticipate the SUV ahead with the automaker's twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine. In the GV80, the engine makes 375 horsepower. All-wheel drive as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission are expected to be common. Safety functions for the GV80 Coupe aren't available yet. The SUV should be offered with pedestrian detection, onward collision caution, automatic emergency braking, back cross traffic alert, dead spot monitoring, lane keeping help, lane separation caution, automated high beam help, as well as a vehicle driver attention screen. Genesis freeway driving help, which combines flexible cruise ship control as well as lane centering help, will additionally be readily available.